So most people are buying a toy hauler just to convert the garage to a second bedroom. Well, you don't always have to do that. Why? Because the Bighorn Traveler 37 TB, which we are in right now, has actually a second bedroom. This is a fifth wheel that has a full second bedroom. Now, this isn't going to be a king or a queen size bed, but it is a twin, and this should accommodate two adults comfortably depending on their size. You have a lot of storage here like you would in the front master suite. You have storage above the bed, across the bed, you have this nice built-in here. What I really like is you've got power here for your cell phones, and should you need to host yet another guest above this bed, you're gonna find a bed in the loft. I know what you're thinking. When we're getting to our destination, when we have to use the restroom, we have to open those slides to get into it. No, you don't. This floor plan has a second entry door so you can use the bathroom when you need to on your way to that destination. Coming out of that rear bedroom is the living area. You've got this nice couch here sitting for two adults comfortably. This will fold out for sleeping for additional guests in the evening here in the slide out. While we're also talking about the slide out, is I'm going to point out there's no carpet in this floor plan. You just have this marine grade woven fabric, which is going to be much stronger against dirt, debris, and moisture. Storage cabinets above the couch, fireplace, large TV, nice glass inserts to make it very residential. I do want to talk about this very large island with a solid surface countertop, high-rise faucet for large pots and pans, a farmhouse-style apron sink. When we talk appliances, very residential. This is a large microwave, 3-burner stove with a glass top and oven. You also have this French door refrigerator giving you all of the food storage you will need for a long extended trip. Adjacent to the kitchen is where you're going to find that pantry. Use it how you want, but you have a lot of storage here. Also, what I like, they added again more additional solid surface countertop with a wireless charging station. This would be ideal for maybe a coffee nook or again, a place to set your laptop and smart devices. You're also gonna find here in the built-in cabinetry, this is gonna be your control panel as well. There are a ton of features that are standard in this floor plan and just a great look. It's very, very bright, this entire floor plan from the rear all the way to the front. I love the wood trim choices, just a great contrast. You've got an east-west facing king size bed, nightstands on both sides, again, solid surface, USB charging, your lights, it's all LED lighting. As you can tell, it's very bright. Privacy shades here are gonna be standard. Closet here with a mirrored finish to allow you to easily get ready at your destination. Just a lot of storage, and it continues to your area of prep for a washer and dryer should you choose to use it. Now, of course, if you don't, even more storage for you and your family. If having two large bedrooms in an RV is for you, please learn more about the 37 TB at heartlandrvs.com.